Hi, my name is Rafael Paragas from BSMT2 Delta, and we are Group 4. For today's video, we will present our report entitled Functioning and Reliability of ARPA Equipment. First, what is functioning? This refers to how the ARPA system works and what it does. Think of it as an understanding the mechanics of the system. This includes receiving and processing radar signals and displaying information. In displaying information, we will see the target tracks, range and bearing, and warnings. First, what is receiving and processing radar signals? The ARPA uses a radar antenna to emit radio waves that bounce off objects like ships, land, etc. It then receives these reflected signals and analyzes them to determine the location, speed, and course of targets.
Display information. The ARPA represents this information is a clear and intuitive way on its display screen. Example, the ARPA represents this information in a clear and intuitive way on its display screen. Refers to how the ARPA automatic radar plotting aid system shows radar data in an easy to understand format. The ARPA typically displays information like the position, course, and speed of nearby vessels, as well as the other important navigational details. The phrase clear and intuitive means that the information is organized in a way that is simple to interpret, helping users such as sailors or navigators to quickly make decisions and understand the situations around them without confusions. The display light includes visual elements such as maps or graphs that enhance comprehension. Target tracks, lines representing the movement of detect targets over time. Example, target tracks are the lines or paths that reflect the motion of detect targets over a time span. These are generated by continuously observing the position of target, such as a vehicle's person or items as it travels. This motion is normally recorded at periodic times, and the data is plotted as a sequence of connected position or lines on a map or screen. Can be used to visual how the target's location varies over time, which can be helpful of tracking, analysis, and decision making.
Range and bearing, the distance and direction of targets relative to the ship. Warnings, alerts to potential hazards like collisions or shallow water. Reliability, this refers to how dependable and consistent the ARPA system is. A reliable ARPA system will.
So first, we have the function accurately. It provides accurate information about targets and their movements. Next, we have the operate consistency. Work reliably under various conditions like weather, sea state, and etc. And lastly, be resistant to errors. Minimize the occurrence of malfunction of the false alarms.
Teaching activity. Demonstrate system tests of ARPA. System tests. These are procedures designed to verify the ARPA's functionality and ensure that it is working correctly. Students learn to conduct tests. Perform specific tests on the ARPA equipment.
Interpret result. Analyze the test results to determine if the ARPA is functioning within acceptable limit. Identify the troubleshoot problems. If a test fails, they learn how to identify the issue and take corrective action.
Teaching activity. Demonstrate correctly identifying operational warnings provided by ARPA. Operational warnings, these are alerts generated by the ARPA to warn the mariner of potential hazard. Students learn to recognize different warning types each warning as a specific icon or message that indicates the type of hazard.
Understand warning meaning. This is to learn to interpret the warning message for understanding what sign take appropriate action. Students learn how to respond to each warning based on nature in the current situation.